Cat Talk Show short الآن الMBC 1. Unfortunately it ended because of copyright, calling. Now continuing. And action! Hey guys, welcome to Cat Talk Show. على MBC ended. As you all know, it's still Eid and it ends next week on maybe Saturday. We're now finished doing Toys Live in Halga non-copyright. Listen, we have to do an edit where we remove the Ramadan because it's Toys Live episode February 12 has Ramadan in it, and we want to fix that. It was filmed on February of 12 in the middle of the afternoon, and we used Minions intro, which NBC didn't know until they told us today. Make the intro puppet channel. Make the intro of TW, and then at the end of the intro, just keep the intro with the toys picture. So the picture will be updated, inshallah, in the 19th episode. هيكون us كلنا here in the studio. Instead of it being an old picture, هيكون new picture. NBC logo. We take a picture with the NBC logo. Woohoo! Alex is sleeping. Yusuf Hoja, no. Joking. Wait, guys. Cat Talk Show كل يوم 11 صباحا على MBC Edit وشاهد MBC شاهد. Unfortunately, the Cat Talk Show has ended the first two ones because the people were calling. So we ended the call. We just answered Yusuf Hoja. He said, why are you using grandma's phone? And then we told him he's out. Inshallah, we get protected. Okay? So this talk show will be uploaded يوميا الساعة 11. Sorry if the old talk show be gone out of this video storage until we get this talk show to be saved and approved again. Toys Live has been approved just now. Buggy Cat Live talk show around 4 o'clock. Maybe it will air on two channels maybe. هذا مسجد تويز وهناك غرفة التحكم بالصوت we can watch our videos and keyboard it for watching. And here we have the system. عندنا system sound. Currently it's 2 o'clock, which means there's no shows until now. Look, Ibrahim kitchen show. I miss it. Why do you have to go your kitchen show? I miss you. Inshallah we'll see you guys in kitchen show for Eid al-Adha. We just need to record more talk shows during this week. Yes. This is the logo. MBC logo. I miss it. The old one. Look at Alex. He's asleep. Allah yarhamu, but he's sleeping. Let's hear a talk show playing. The request for making. There. I have built it on 13. For as a gift for Eid, we have no talk shows حق Eid. Look, these toys are imams. They're currently asleep at the moment until 4 o'clock. 3 o'clock. They're not asleep, they're just waiting. And then Salat al-Asr. Then when it becomes Salat al-Asr, they wake up, go to the studio, I mean Salat al-Dhuhr al-Asr, والمغرب والعش, they're gonna be right here. هيكون بس عندنا الظهر العصر مغرب بعدين خلاص عشا ما في we'll be tired around عشا. Look, we're charger من الساعة like 11 8. Look, Embassy, he finished his talk show. It brings a picture. Wait, what? Picture. There. Finally, guys, وصلنا لختام my talk show. باي باي. أشوفكم يوميا 11 مساء. 11 مساء. دو 11 مساء على MBC. الله يرحم إبراهيم فاذر. 2019 42 2013. So sad. Okay, that's it, guys. Masalama.